Nearly 30,000 workers shortchanged by big miner. We reveal the biotech stock that flew sky high today. And the US rapper whose sports shoes are in the bargain bin. Trading Up, a collaboration by The West Australian and Grappa. We start with the word of the day, and it's back pay. Or is that two words? Mining giant BHP today admitted that it had underpaid nearly 30,000 of its staff over the last 13 years. The pay bungle centres around deducting workers' annual leave entitlements for public holidays and could cost the miner $430 million to put right. The revelation comes just a week after BHP criticised the Albanese government's same job, same pay policy, which would require employers to pay labour hire workers the same rate as direct employees. Maybe they should have got their own house in order first. Any miners due a windfall from the BHP back pay bungle may now be looking at property as house prices continue to rise. And it's WA that's leading the way. New data out from PropTrack today showed Perth property has risen over 3% since January, making it the strongest performing capital city year to date. Median house prices now sit at $571,000, which still makes Perth the cheapest city market, despite the recent rises. And as you can see from the chart, house prices are rising nationally again. Who said interest rates were biting? On to the markets now, and one stock on a roll is Web Central, who take out Grappa's Hat Trick Award for climbing 3 days straight. Shares in the Aussie tech firm, which has web domain registration and managed IT service businesses, have climbed almost 19% in the last 72 hours. Still to come, the biotech stock that was cooking with gas today, and the rap star whose merch is no longer touching the sky. Stay tuned. Now, it's not often we give a Cool Business Idea award to one of the big boys, but we are today. News that Woolworths are planning to have all its delivery trucks as electric vehicles by 2030 made us cheer today. Woolies CEO Brad Banducci said the move will reduce the group's transport emissions by around 60%. Well done, Brad. Your shares just went up 1.5%. Speaking of new technology, it seems those robots may be getting a bit clever for their and our own good. The European Union's tech chief, Margrethe Vestager, said today that we should push the AI industry to adopt a voluntary code of conduct. Experts are worried that AI technology is moving faster than governments can regulate it, which means we're at risk of AI being more harmful than good if we don't put some rules in place first. Talking of danger, Adidas is looking to recover from its disastrous tie-up with controversial rapper Kanye West by selling off the Yeezy label merch they developed with the artist. The German sportswear firm has nearly $2 billion worth of the stuff and is planning on selling it at a discounted price, having severed ties with the rapper, now known as Ye, last year.
I want people to feel like it's okay to make mistakes in front of people and follow what their dreams are. I will die for the art, for what I believe in.
The rapper fell out of favour after a string of hate-filled remarks in the press, and the sports firm ditched him shortly after. In a clever PR move, Adidas are planning to give some of the proceeds of the fire sale to organisations representing people who may have been offended by West's outbursts. Maybe bad boy rappers aren't always good for business. And finally, that biotech stock that soared today, Neurizer. The Adelaide-based firm, which makes carbon-neutral fertiliser, saw its shares rocket over 37% today. News that the company had signed a deal to produce hydrogen in China was behind the rise. You can find more business news content on thewest.com.au, or to see all the data and insights behind this video, check out grapha.com or download our app from the App Store. Thanks for joining me on this special episode of Trading Up. I'm Sarah Hughan. See you next time.